$7,500 for this SUV. Old Tide, you say it's expensive? It looks like an abandoned factory. I found nothing after searching for a long time. It can't be this Ferrari, can it, Old Irons? The owner called and said there was a hole behind the fence. It should be this hole. It's not going to collapse, is it? Hey, it's really fast. Really, see? Over the mountains and mountains, I finally came in to see. It's an old Toyota. How long has it been here? It's getting better here, and there are seats. The door won't open either. Hey! The back door can be opened. Do you see this proper personnel carrier? Seats on both sides. This height is not good. Look at this. Hey, is the door open? Oh, I'll go. Obediently, this classic steering wheel. How many kilometers do you see? 21,000 kilometers. Wow. More than 21,000 kilometers. Oh my god. Oh my god. Dear, this one who tuned the radio back then. This trend is gone. There's also a digital watch. And there's a cigarette lighter. Look at the air conditioner. Back then, this manual air conditioner, I don't know if it's extremely fast. A proper four-wheel drive, a hardcore four-wheel drive. Hey, there's nothing. Pay homage. Hey, the rope is tied. The rearview mirror works fine. The main driver's visor is broken. Hey! The one with the light is out of power. Hey, what is this for? This is the flame out switch. Do you understand Lao Tai? Look at the small trend of people's design back then. It's quite mechanical. Take a look. Oh, that's heavy. This used to be a really heavy ride. Look at this engine battery. I'm still afraid you're a carburetor. Oh my god. There's oil, Old Irons. Oh my god. Is this burning oil? Do you understand why the old iron is so black? No, what the hell is this? Why is it hanging under it? Look at this too. Third half this god. Machine, the legendary machine. Is this roof rotten? Is this one okay? Not bad, not bad. This is broken, see? Take a power bank for this foot first, and take a power bank to see how it goes. The owner says the car still works. I couldn't believe it for decades. It can still drive the owner's key and brought it. Let's try it. Hey, there is electricity. Hey, it smells good. Here we go. Wow, haha, awesome. Toyota is Toyota. Generation car. The engine worked overnight. Look at this engine. It's pretty solid. See if you can move it. Hey, I'm not angry. Did you move? Did you move? Active? No gas. This car has been negotiated with the owner. A total of 7,500 yuan was transferred to him. Why do I think it's a little expensive? Now contact the trolley and we'll board it back. We pulled this car back. Now give him the engine first. See if it works. Is it on? The old 3F engine. Gasoline 4.0. But when the car comes back, the fan won't work. Let's take it apart for maintenance. The rear wheel is also dead. Let's give it some air. This tire should be original. At least it's been looking like this for decades. Let's drive out now and see if it can be driven well. Set off. Don't stay with me. Don't need too much for me. Put two old classics with two doors together. One two-door, two-door are former classics. Which one do you like? Come back and change this battery. Hey, this used to be okay. Also bring a plastic bag.
Sure.
Engine cleaning fluid sprayed. The oil above is flowing down. Dear, this window is refreshing. Pretty. Look at this. The paint should have dried later. You see, this doesn't look like the paint of the original chapter. The engine cleaning liquid is refreshing after cleaning. There's no oil at all. How refreshing it is up here. Also on engine steel. This is the SUV I bought for $7,500. Briefly cleaned up. Can drive and run the moment I remove the carpet. I feel big. It's all broken. 100% soaking car. Now that that's the case, let's give it a good cleaning. Let's fix the interior of this car first. The seat at the back is still facing the seat. The floor below is no longer working. The side panels are also rotten. There's rust down here too. Hey, that's pretty good. Get him up here, it's a lot more spacious. Remove the seats from him. This seat is really designed to be simple. A few screws and it dries. Coming down. Done. This should be for tying jacks, right? Huh? Be good. I made it big. I made it big. Put the seats on both sides in a few clicks, and the boards on both sides were removed. Now remove the seat in front of it as well. Ah, who did this? 4 screws. Come on down. There's no handbrake. Not at all. Radu can't pull it. Remove this cushion for him. Can you take this apart? Hey, what do you see? It's all broken. 100% soaking car. Why do I think this car is too expensive? You don't have to say that this beat is pretty good. The screws are different. This is still the same. Oops, my god. This has been in the gutter for at least 3 or 4 years. Otherwise, it wouldn't be like this. We have to rip this thing off. See what's going on. Have you been okay? There's one torn off here. It's good here, too. Gagashin will be dismantled soon. Let's take a water gun and clean it all for him now. How about an operation as fierce as a tiger? Is it refreshing after cleaning? You need to wash this old car. Have to wash thoroughly, right?